meditation. Bakshi is asking which is the batch flower remedy for loneliness.
Yeah.
And Shivani is asking what is the remedy for anger and aggressive behavior in children.
Okay. So for loneliness, one of the remedies is water violet. It's called water violet. And for anger and aggression, we will come to that section as we move on,
Sure.
because
Yes.
when we talk about anger, as a layman, we talk about just anger, but when we get deep into the mind thing, you come to know that there are 9 different types of angers, and I'll take you there as we go.
All right. So, Vijay, for now, can you just take us through a few flowers? I mean, I know 38 flowers are a lot and we can't cover them all today, but can you take us through a few flowers and tell us, what we can do with these flowers?
Okay. So one flower is okay. There are a lot of people here who have their children and they are worried about their children and things like that. So one of the flowers which come to my mind is called chestnut bud. Now, this is a flower which helps you in concentration. And this is a very good remedy for students, people who are studying, or for that matter, any age group who are studying, who need to be more focused and concentrated. This is a flower which will help you to come out of escapism. Now, what is escapism? Now, escapism is, if you see, if there is your child, and if early morning you wake him up, and if he doesn't want to go to school, what he would say, my head is aching, I have a headache, or I have a stomach ache, my leg is paining, or whatever it is. So he tries to give excuses. So this is a flower which will help him to come out of escapism. So there is no excuses. You are like straight on. This is a flower for slow learners also. That means if you are a student and you're learning very slow or you're making frequent mistakes, then this flower can help you a great deal. So this is also called a student's flower.
Okay.
This flower is to learn life lessons fast. Now, we all know that we all come to learn 12 life lessons, and these are one of the most difficult things to crack after our karma and our ancestral karma. So when you need to learn your life lessons and you're not able to learn that particular lesson, then it is chestnut bud which will help you to learn your life lessons. And that is why chestnut bud can also be used as a remedy if you're making a shani ka sade sati ka combination, or a shani ka period is going on, a challenging period, because generally the shani period is shani, it is said that he always tests you. There are a lot of life lessons which you learn in the shani period. So it is chestnut bud being one of the flowers in that which can be used. It can help you to learn the life lessons fast, and hence not necessarily go through all the things, all the turmoil in your life, which probably you would have gone through. So that is one very beautiful this thing advantage of using chestnut bud, or benefit rather of using chestnut bud. One more thing about chestnut bud is that, and this is at an advanced level, this is also called the honesty flower. So tomorrow, if you're going to meet someone who you do not know whether that person is a good person, bad person, honest person, dishonest person, when you go and meet him, and when you take chestnut bud and go and meet him, automatically he will be in the aura of honesty which you have taken. So he will be in that aura, and that person will behave honestly with you. So this is a very beautiful remedy in such cases whenever you're going to meet someone and you do not know as to whether I should be trusting him or not to trust him, or whatever it is, you're confused. So you can just take the chestnut bud flower, and you can go there and you can meet him. And it is there that this works so fantastically well. So
Amazing.
so that's what chestnut bud is about. And
All
there are
right.
quite a few who have actually students who have actually shown a lot of concentration, etc. after taking the chestnut bud. They are not into the escapism mode. They actually start studying when they take it, and they learn their lessons faster than they normally would. So that way it affects students a lot, and of course elders also, for all those people who need to learn their life lessons quick.
Vijay, Ipsa is asking, please tell how to achieve victory in court case. Do you think this flower will help her, the chestnut bud?
Yeah, so this can help you in a way that if you feel that your lawyer the lawyer which you have hired, or the other person lawyer, or the other lawyer, or any other person is not behaving honestly with you. So the first thing what you can do is that take chestnut bud and you can go there, because when you go
Right.
there, automatically an aura. And of course, if a lot of people are dishonest there, so you need to take it for a longer period of time,
Mm-hmm.
probably for 8 days, 10 days, 15, 20 days. So whenever you go there, automatically an aura of honesty is developed. And that way, like it can help you. Of course, there are other remedies also, which we
Mm,
see that in details in the workshop. But then
right.
this remedy particularly can help this way.
I mean, this is fantastic. I mean, I don't have to give this to anybody. I have to take it and things
Yes.
just change for me. It's
Yeah. When
brilliant.
you take, other person behave honestly with you. That is a beauty, because everything
Mm,
lies within you.
right.
So
Yes.
there is one more flower,
Uh-huh.
Shifa, I would like to take you into.
Please.
This is called the walnut flower. Now this is the same walnut dry fruit which we eat.
Yeah, I was
The
just going
flower.
to ask that.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
So the flower from that same tree, it's a very tall tree, flower from that the same tree. Now, this is a very beautiful flower, and this is actually called the Ganpati or the Ganesha of all the flowers. So this has to be taken first up, like whenever we start any prayer or whenever we do any thing, we actually start with Ganpati prayer, isn't
Mm-hmm.
it? So whenever there is a new thing which is happening in your life, you have to start by taking walnut. So walnut helps you if you have shifted to a new home. Walnut helps you if you have shifted to a new place, or you are going through any kind of transitions like menopause, or like a child from school to college. So, or if there are any adjustments to be made. So all these things are catered to by walnut. Walnut is also called the link breaker. So if there is someone who's not good for you and you start taking walnut, so this can help you to break links with them. And it is also for adjustments. So tomorrow, if you want to build a rapport with somebody, walnut is the flower. Of course, other flowers are also there along with that in the combination, but this is one of the key flowers in that, which you need to take, and you will be able to build a rapport beautifully with the other person once you start taking this. So that is the beauty of walnut. Going still further, walnut can help you break tumor cells also,
Oh, wow.
because walnut is the breaker, and walnut is also to help you. It will also help you to protect yourself from negative and external influences. So Romans, they dedicate this flower to their god Jupiter. That is the value of walnut which they have within them. So these are some of the things, some of the benefits which
Mm-hmm.
walnut holds. So that way, walnut is a very important, because in a lot of life situations you require walnut with you, of course, with the other flowers as well. So that is where walnut comes into the third
Mm-hmm.
remedy. The third
Vijay,
remedy,
quick
yes,
question. Rajni asked, is there any treatment for cancer? So walnut along with other remedies.
yeah, yeah. It is, so this is the bachelor treatment is not a very direct treatment wherein it will
Mm,
address the illness directly. It is about the mental emotional states. So number
right.
one, you have to do the consultation as to what it is.
Mm,
And then, yeah, there are a lot of batch flowers which can help you in this. Like for example, walnut is one which will help to break the tumor cells and all. So that way
yeah.
it can help you to break those cells which are not required. So of course, that way you need to proceed. It is not a direct 1+1 thing. Okay, this particular thing is for this. You need to
Mm,
counsel, do the consultation, and then you give the
right.
flowers. And but then definitely the whatever extra treatment is going on, the current treatment is going on, rather, you should not stop that. This
Mm,
complements those treatments.
sounds perfect. And the best thing is that it goes along with anything else you're doing, any other treatment that you're doing.
Anything,
That's
anything, anything
fantastic.
else. There is one remedy. There is one
Mm-hmm.
remedy which, of course, is a major takeaway for everybody. If you're, this is called the rescue remedy. So many of you have heard of bash flowers. You all know what exactly. You all might have heard of the rescue remedy quite
Mm-hmm.
on and off. So rescue remedy is a combination of 5 bash flowers which Dr. Batch discovered in his deep study, and he combined these 5 batch flowers and then termed it as rescue remedy. So it is known as a rescue remedy. This is the 39th. This is not a flower. This is a combination of 5 flowers. So this is the 39th batch flower, you can
Okay.
say in a way. So, so rescue remedy helps in emergency cases. So if there is something suddenly which happens to any member in the family, now what you do is that you call up the doctor till the IV comes, or you do your necessary basic stuff and all. So it is here that rescue remedy is like a first aid kit.
Mm.
Let me share a quick testimony here, or a quick experience of a person. Now, there was
Please.
this lady.
Mm-hmm.
Her name was Harsha. I think she did the bachelor long back. This was around 5-7 years back. She did a bachelor workshop from me, and I had told her at that time, and I always recommend whenever you all do a workshop with me that you all should always carry a bottle of rescue remedy with you. So she used to always carry it in her purse wallet. So one day it so happened that she went to the bank in Borivali. She stays in Mumbai.
Mm-hmm.
She went to the bank, and there in the bank, suddenly the bank manager collapsed, and everybody saw it. So everybody was rushing, and then some people they called up the ambulance and things like that. So it is at that time that this lady Harsha, she went forward, and as the she was in a semi-conscious state, the bank manager, she laid down there in a semi-conscious state, and she was slipping into unconsciousness. So it was at that time that she poured 3-4 drops from the rescue remedy onto in her mouth, and immediately within not even a minute, this manager, this lady, she got up actually, and she got up and she walked towards the ambulance which had come, and in the ambulance she
Oh
went.
my God.
And then after 2 days, 2-3 days, this lady, she went to the bank, and then the bank manager called her, and she asked her, "Are you the same lady who gave me those some drops you put in my mouth the other day when I was collapsing?" Harsha said, "Yes, I was." And she said, "Thank you so much, because I was actually sinking. I didn't know what was happening to me. I was sinking. And then as soon as these drops went inside me, I don't know, something happened, that a flash of lightning kind of came, and then I just woke up as if nothing had happened. Then they took me to the hospital. Then there was a minor heart arrest, and of course, which has
Wow.
been done with now, and I'm on medications, and things are much better. So that is how the rescue remedy, it helps in saving people's lives, and in emergency situation, it acts like a divine potion.
Surely. Thank you, Vijay, for sharing that incredible story. It is unbelievable. Thank you so much.